Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add header only on first page in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to add a header only to the first page, we first need to enter the header and footer mode. We can do this by double-clicking the leftmost button in the header area of the page. This area may be larger or smaller for you. If desired, its size can be changed here on the left on the ruler. We hover the cursor over the ruler at the point where the header and page are separated, and when it changes to a double arrow, we drag it to the top to decrease the header area or down to increase it. An alternative way to enter the header and footer mode is to use the Insert tab. Click the Insert tab and then select the Header button. Here we can choose from a variety of preset headers. As you can see, each header has its own unusual look, but for example, we will choose the very first one, that is blank. Great, we'll enter a header on the first page. If we leave everything as it is, the header that we entered will be duplicated on all pages of the document. To prevent this from happening, we check the different first page checkbox before typing the header. Now enter the header on the first page and exit the header mode. Click on the Close button or use the Escape button on the keyboard. And as you can see, we only have the header on the first page, but not on all the others. You also need to remember that the header can be changed on the Home tab, just like the regular text. You can change the font itself, its size, color, position, and so on. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.